Hi, my name is Perpetua. This is an educational video for assignment 3, PIDP 3240. In this short video, I'll be giving a lecture on biology. You are expected to gain basic understanding of living things and their structure and makeup. Living things are organisms that have life, such as animals, plants, and microorganisms. Biology is the study of living things. Bio means life, and logos means study. All living things have 8 basic things in common. These are movement, reproduction, cellular organization, homeostasis, adaptation, response to stimuli, hereditary, growth, and development. Just as blocks are the foundations of buildings, all living organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the smallest unit of life, and all cells come from already existing cell by cell division. Cells can be classified as either prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell occur in prokaryotic organisms. These are organisms that have only one cell. And eukaryotic cell occur in eukaryotic organisms. These are organisms that have more than one cell and are said to be multicellular. Prokaryotic cells have only one cell, and they are found in unicellular organisms such as bacteria and archaea. A typical prokaryotic cell has no true nucleus. The nucleus is not enclosed nuclear membrane. It lacks membrane-bound organelles. In this diagram, you see the bacterial cell membrane, the cytoplasm that contains the nucleus without a nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cells occur in eukaryotic organisms such as plants, animals, and fungi. Although protists are one of them, but they have single cells. A typical eukaryotic cell is the animal cell that has a cell membrane, the nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane, the cytoplasm that has a lot of organelles. We'll talk about the functions of these organelles in our next video. Eukaryotes or eukaryotic cells differ from prokaryotic cells in that they have membrane-bound organelles and their nucleus is enclosed in a nuclear membrane. The prokaryotes only have cell membrane, cytoplasm, and these organelles are not enclosed in any membrane at all. The eukaryotic cells are also different. The plant cell, for example, has cell wall made up of cellulose. It has chloroplast, contractile vacuoles. These things are lacking in the animal cell. The protist that is presented here by Eugnina has a chloroplast. That is plant characteristics. It has cell membrane. It doesn't have a cell wall. All these discoveries about cell and their makeups are made possible because of this man, Robert Hooke, in 1965 discovered cell and using a magnifying glass. The magnifying glass has revolutionized in this time to become more sophisticated into what is called a microscope. The microscope is what is used to view the living cells, and we will talk about the microscopes, the different parts of scopes, and how to use them in the next video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to check out my other educational video that will be coming out soon.